Hi guys, thanks for stopping by my channel today. I hope you're having a great day. I'm back today to share a couple little projects that I created for my friend Mimi. She's having a birthday challenge on her channel, and her channel is Mimi Jocelyn Designs, so I'll link her information down below in the description box if you want to check it out. But it's a quick and easy birthday challenge. You just have to make a Memorydex card and a birthday card to enter. So I used this die by Sizzix by Jen Long, and the number on this is 661868. I did some sewing and used this Gutermann, I think that's how you say it, thread. And here's the top with the skew there. I think I picked this up a couple years ago at Joann's. They have a good selection of metallic threads and all kinds of threads and fabrics, so I think that's where I picked that up. I used this die here, Spellbinders, and it's called Flower Garden, and it embosses and also cuts out some areas. And then I used the Santorini paper collection by Frank Garcia and Prima. So that's what I used on my projects. And let me share. I created the Memorydex card. So I will take it out, but this is how I'm giving it to her. I've packaged it up, just a simple little bag topper here with some flowers on the top. And I think this turned out super cute. So it is kind of tight in here, so let me see if I can bring it out just to share with you. I won't take it off this backing here. So, or I can. I just put it on really lightly with a little glue dot. So this is the Memorydex card. I think it's so cute. I did use a Heidi Swap die to cut this out, and you can see the back here. I kind of did this really quick, so the back I didn't really cover up. You can see the stitching and just a little label there, and I left it plain. I think for her challenge she might want you to add some contact information and things, but I think she has all that already for me. So I used some of the pattern paper. I did some stitching with the metallic blue thread, and I think it looks really pretty, and it matches the blue metallic accents on the paper collection. And then I just layered a couple of the ephemera pieces here, popped this little pineapple up on a little pop dot or dimensional foam dot, some bling from the collection as well. I used another, oh, I didn't bring it out. It's another die to make this rosette from Hobby Lobby. And I think it's a Sizzix die as well, if I'm not mistaken. And then this cute little cut apart from the collection, or die cut. I think this is so cute and fun. And then I just layered a little bit more of that metallic thread underneath there. So simple but really cute, I thought. I like how this turned out, and I love this paper collection. So I had a lot of it left over from when I took a class at the Frank Garcia studio. So it was perfect for this project. And then I made her a birthday card using that die, and really simple again. I had to get these out kind of quickly, so I just layered some of the pattern paper and distressed the edges with my scissors. I used the embossing die here and just layered that on top, and I did some sewing on the edge of the white cardstock there, and added some little bling dots. And this die here with the birthday wishes, I cut it out on one of the papers that has the metallic accents, so I thought that was really cute. So there's the birthday card, and I still have to write something in here, and I just added a few little stickers on the inside and another one of the little labels. So that's the birthday card and the Memorydex card. So I hope she likes it, and let me know what you guys think, and head on over to her channel to check this out if you'd like to give it a try. All right, guys, have fun. Bye.